too?
That's the high side, that's the low side.
Are you 100% sure?
Yes, I'm 100% sure.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure.
I'm fucking doubting you now.
This shit right here. And I'll tell you this shit works.
Your man jugs aren't permanent. You just need to stop being lazy and start using this every single day for at least 15 minutes. 5 minutes like this so you can get that middle chest. 5 minutes like this so you can get that upper
You
chest.
still don't look buffer than me, though.
He just started. He just started.
I can teach him a few things.
I'll remember. Someone teach her.
It's smears. Oh, she got his good ass fucking gauges or what?
Stop
I'm
tickling me.
excited and shit.
He starts tickling me. Hey, if you want to tickle me, that's $1. That's $3.